how to make table of contents in Google Docs. You already know about one thing about the heading number 1, heading number 2, and number 3, and much more. So if you know that, we can make a table of contents. So I'm going to go to the next page and write in here some article. Okay, we're going to go to the insert, not insert, and I'm going to type heading 1. Or let's say, yeah, let's go with the title number 1, title 1, and give it a heading number 1. Okay, heading number 2, heading number 1. How I do it and how you can do it. We're gonna go to the keyboard, and I'm gonna help you on that. So if you want to shortcutly, if you want to just control it, so you hit Control Alt, and this is for heading number 1, heading 2, 3, and much more. Let's stick with the heading number 1, for example. I'm gonna cancel it right now. Another way to do it is just to come in here, okay, heading number 1, 2, and 3. So you can apply it, and let's type some text. I'm gonna do some lorem ipsum text, and there you go. And go to the next page, and I'm gonna do the same thing. So I'm gonna copy and paste in sake of time. So we should be really careful about our time and saving it, pasting again. So this is title number 2, and going to the next page. So we're gonna paste again. So this is gonna be title 3, and again, let's create at least 5 more. 5, at least 5 is better. So this was 3, this is 4, and this is 5, and so that's it. So we already right now have created one, okay, but also you can create subheading or subtitle. And for now, it is time to create the subtitle, the table of contents. So we're gonna go to the insert, and we're gonna go to the table of contents, and here you have 2 options, with page numbers or with blue links. So you can say with page numbers or with blue links. For example, we wanted with page numbers. So you can click, and right now you can see title number 1, 2, 3, 4, and their page numbers. So that's how we really came across with. And you can of course edit their links separately. All of that is available for you, and you have table of contents updating it, and you can go to a particular using that. And that's fantastic about it. Okay, so that's about table of contents. So this was the number 1 table of contents, and if I go to another, and I can click again, table of contents, and I can create using the blue link. All right, so that's 2 options with table of contents. For now, that's only available for us in table of contents in Google Docs. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next lecture.